All right, Gandalf, are you ready to experience your first real snow? Your sister has, because we lived in Michigan with her, but are you ready? Let's go, buddy. Okay. It's not that much. All right. Oh yeah, it's like hard snow. It's not, it's crunchy snow. My footprints aren't really showing up much because it's been raining ice. What do you think? Is it cold on your toesies? ASMR? Go ahead. So this is what it's looking like on my street. It's very crunchy snow. It's not very soft. Let me go ahead and feel it.